Hi, I'm Tim Lewis, and I'm the VP of North American Channel Sales for Nextivity. I'm here to talk to you about the Nextivity Channel Sales Organization and how you can become a Nextivity Cel-Fi partner. The Nextivity go-to-market strategy in North America is 100% indirect, meaning Cel-Fi does not sell direct to resellers and end customers. Instead, Nextivity sells through a multi-tiered channel of distributors and resellers who in turn sell and install Cel-Fi coverage products and solutions into consumer and business customers. The Nextivity partner channel is diverse and reflects a broad range of Cel-Fi products, markets, and customers. There are multiple reseller types, such as retail and e-commerce resellers, passive and active DAS integrators and installers, public safety integrators, infrastructure cabling installers, electrical contractors, general contractors, IoT solutions partners, telcos, two-way radio resellers, and more. Nextivity offers a robust channel partner program with tiered partner discounts, dedicated sales support, dedicated pre- and post-sale support, design ROM support, free online certification training, MDF, and deal registration. Because of our strong channel partner organization, Nextivity has doubled its North American sales each year for the last 4 years. Our path to success is through our partners, and we're always looking to expand with the addition of best-in-class resellers. If you are interested in becoming a Cel-Fi reseller, simply go to our partner site at celfi.com/partnerships. Complete and submit the online partner form, and you will be contacted by a member of the Nextivity sales team. So come join our team and be a part of our growth and our success. Thank you.